everyone, welcome back for another video. In this video, I show an old clip you have already seen where Colt replaced my metal windows. I was left with the wood showing for a few months and I couldn't stand it the whole time, but he was finally able to fix them to look like normal windows. I had so many windows and had plenty of natural light, so I decided to have him close up this window. It wasn't even really a wall, as you can tell. There was no insulation and we could feel a breeze all the time. The window was plastic and not real, so it needed to be repaired. This season I wasn't able to get to siding my place, so I bought some temporary wood siding until I can get vinyl siding in the spring. The ending footage I shot at night, and I still have a lot to do in here, like add the rest of the molding, but I feel like I can finally start to decorate as the bulk of my projects come to an end. I plan on doing a tour for you guys. There has been so many changes to my place since my last video, so make sure you are subscribed and the bell is turned on so you won't miss my future uploads.